A guiding hook here that goes there, and then there's a plug that goes there, and then there's this one. So it's virtually held by just two screws, 1 and 2, and just pull it out. Good job, Toyota.